So true 4K resolution, also called as native 4K resolution, is what you're gonna get once you buy the newly launched Redtiger F7NA. So this is the next big upgrade in the F7N series because this camera introduced the flagship Sony Starvis-2 IMX678 sensor, which natively shoots 4K resolution. Now why is this important? Because 4K resolution offers that depth, that clarity, that sharpness which you absolutely need when you have to capture some details, when you're capturing or freezing frames in the video in order to give you a crystal clear number plate read or a signboard read or any of the details which you might want to catch from the dash camera. Now, very few cameras offer you a true 4K or a native 4K resolution under the 20,000 price segment, and the Redtiger F7NA is poised to lead that particular segment with the best possible video quality. Now, most of the dash cams under the 20,000 segment offer you a 4K resolution, but in most cases, it's an upscaled 4K resolution via interpolation or any other methods. And the Redtiger F7NA bringing in a native 4K resolution under the 20,000 segment makes it a worthy choice. One more thing which works in the favor of this camera is that this gets a supercapacitor inside, which has been tested for its reliability. Now, the Redtiger F7NA has been tested for high temperature operation at 70 degrees Celsius for 24 hours and even low temperature operation at minus 20 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. And the F7NA has passed both of these tests, showing you how reliable and how durable this camera is, and it is most suited for Indian conditions, for summer conditions wherein the outside temperatures can vary up to 35-36 degrees Celsius, and inside the cabin it can become much hotter. Additionally, one more trending feature in dash cameras these days is built-in ADAS, and Redtiger has now introduced not one, not two, but three different ADAS features into the Redtiger F7NA. Starting off with a lane departure warning, you also get a front collision warning and even a stop and go warning. Now, all three of these ADAS features get individual sensitivity settings, and you can individually turn on or turn off any of these particular ADAS features. If you're not particularly using any one, you can turn it off, or if you want to use all of them, you can turn on all of them along with setting their own sensitivity levels. Now, there are some other dash cams which also offer you some ADAS features within them, but here's something which probably nobody else will tell you. Within the lane departure warning, Redtiger has included a small but a very thoughtful feature. So in case if you're deviating your car to the right, you get a right departure warning. In case if you're deviating your car to the left of the lane, you get a left lane departure warning. Now that's one small and a simple attention to detail which I really appreciate from Redtiger. I personally tested out these ADAS features and they work reliably well, and you can customize these ADAS features based on the sensitivity settings depending for your own requirements and for your own needs. Now this dash camera does get a Type-C power cable inside the box, which gets a pre-attached 12-volt car charger, but you can also power the Redtiger F7NA using your own Type-A to Type-C power cable or a Type-C to Type-C power cable if you do manage to get one, because some of the newer cars these days tend to miss out on the 12-volt socket. So in that case, if your car has a Type-C port or a Type-A port, the F7NA can still be powered with it, although it cannot be used for data transfer. One more cool feature in the F7NA, which is basically carried forward from the F7NE, is that the F7NA now gets a rotatable mount, which means you can turn the camera towards the driver side window or the passenger side window, or keep it directed towards the front based on your requirements and based on your needs, and all you need is just a flip of the camera with your hands. This means you're able to record almost all sides of the car at your own wish, and that's a great thing, because if at all you have stopped at a police checkpost or any other point of time where somebody is talking to you through the driver side window or the passenger side window, you can just turn the camera and record that particular conversation if you need to. Now this is one versatile feature which probably no other camera offers. One more cool feature which I personally like a lot is that the F7NA now gets a suction mount for the front camera. This means you can easily remove the dash cam and put it back, and you can basically change its position or place as and when you like. Now I know some of you might be apprehensive, saying that suction mounts might fall down or they are susceptible to heat. This suction mount is super powerful. I mean, you just cannot pull out the camera once you've stuck it, But just in case if you are apprehensive about it, Redtiger has also provided adhesives for the suction mounts. If you want to just stick the camera to the windshield and make it stick it onto the same place, and you probably don't want to change its position, you can also use the adhesive and stick it permanently to one place. But if you do want to change its position, the suction mount will work in your favor. Taking forward some of the other cool features from their previous lineups, this camera too gets a touch screen, which is also my personal favorite feature, because handling the camera, changing its settings, getting to view the videos is such an easy affair. You just need to touch the screen and all your work gets done. You probably never need to connect the camera to your smartphone, to your app, nothing. You don't even need to click the buttons. It's just like using your smartphone, which is basically what is everybody used to. And also in terms of convenience, the F7NA also gets a voice control, gets nearly 10 to 12 different voice commands, so you don't even have to lift your hand from the steering wheel, you don't even have to lift the finger to touch the screen. You can control almost all the functions of the camera just by voice command, and that's also a great thing. This camera also gets a Wi-Fi 6 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network, which means fastest transfer of videos from the Dashcam to your smartphone, nearly at speeds of 20 MB per second. And that's just simply amazing, because these are large files, 4K files, and transferring them to your smartphone at fast speeds is just what everybody needs. Talking about the video quality, what can I say? I have been testing out this camera from quite some time now, and I'm completely impressed with the camera quality, both front and the rear. Now the front is of course the flagship. It's what best the industry can offer right now, irrespective of the brand. 4K is the highest resolution which you can get, and Starvis-2 IMX678 is the best possible sensor which you can get in the market right now. And combining these two, the Redtiger F7NA coming in under the 20,000 price segment is probably the cheapest native 4K Starvis-2 IMX678 camera which you can buy in the market right now. That being said, the video quality is absolutely flawless. You will be able to capture any and every detail from the camera, and not to mention the field of view of the front camera is simply good. Nearly 160 degrees diagonal field of view is just good enough to cover a really wide range of area in front of the car. And talking about the rear camera, now this doesn't get a Starvis-2 sensor but gets the job done in a really flawless way. It has an exceptionally good quality compared to most of the other rear cameras out there, and offers you a good level of detail at the rear of the car. So considering all of these aspects, I think the Redtiger F7NA is a definite blind choice. If you do have a budget of about 20,000 rupees, you want the best of what's out there, that's basically a 4K combined with a Starvis-2 IMX678. You want the brand reliability of Redtiger, you want the durability of what this F7NA can offer you, and you want the dash camera to last you for the longest duration of time, just go ahead and simply buy this camera for your car and keep yourself and your family totally safe. That being said, if you want to grab some discount, some inaugural offer on this camera, you can grab some extra discount using my affiliate link and the coupon code which are provided in the description below. Now the camera is normally priced at 18,999, that's about 19,000 rupees, but using my affiliate coupon you can grab it at a much lesser price. So I'll be bringing up a detailed video on the Redtiger F7NA showing you its unboxing, its installation, its on-screen settings, and the detailed review of its video quality, along with showing you the number plate readability as well. So in case if you don't want to miss some amazing videos in the future, go ahead, hit the subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy one of the best dash cams in 2026. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.